Here are a few clips of the Addams Family Lionel train layout from the television show The Addams Family. He loved blowing up these trains. Somehow that was the same scene over and over again, so they only really blew him up like once, which is good.
Oh, what lovely trains. I just adore trains.
Carolyn Jones.
Well, let's give them a whirl. These trains always
Mortisha.
take my mind off troubles.
Here's some passenger cars, some billboards, the tunnel, the Santa Fe thing doing something.
What's that?
That's my friend Thing.
What a charming helper.
He's been my companion since childhood. You don't think he's peculiar, do you?
Nice ZW transformer.
We must accept our friends for what they are.
Here, you run the trains.
That was a nice little setup they had.
Isn't it exciting? One train
2
going
levels.
east, the other one going
He's running
west.
3 trains at once.
I have an idea. What if they crash head on?
No, don't crash them.
Better
Oh
still,
my goodness.
I'll blow them up. Now, you take that switch. When they meet at the bridge, wham!
Here it comes. Oh my goodness.
C'est merveilleux.
Watch it, Tish. Watch it.
See, that's the same scene over and over again.
For a minute there, I thought
He probably only crashed them once
I love to watch you play with
and use
these
that
trains.
same footage in every
Brings
show.
out the real you. How exciting. Look at them go.
This is going to be the greatest train wreck in railroad history.
It's like the Super
Switch them onto the same
O
track.
gauge track.
Wonderful. Darling, you have such a way with trains.
I suppose so.
Weren't you happy with it? I thought it was your finest
I was in love with
trick.
Mortisha.
Perhaps it was, but I've just realized if you wreck one train, you've wrecked them all. Money? What I'm looking for is excitement.
He's tired of his
Adventure.
toy trains. He wants some real
I'm getting
trains
a bit
now.
bored with my model trains. I'm just itching to get my hands on a real railroad. Think what a wreck I could have with those babies. Wreck? What else?
It's a perfectly normal family. Looks like they took a lot of the numbers and the road names off the cars, so you really couldn't identify them, except, you know, people that collect Lionel like me know what they are. But I don't see any road names or numbers on any of the cars or engines.
Pugsley, why don't you show your father what you can do with the trains?
Watch this, Father.
See?
It's well wrecked, wasn't it?
Wreck. The boy needs help. Until you pay for those trains, I am cutting off your allowance.
But I don't get any allowance.
Starting today, you get an allowance, so I can cut it off.
Thank you for watching, and thank you to all my subscribers.